Hi everyone, my name is Rose and happy Haitian Flag Day to everybody. So I will be doing a Haitian Flag Day makeup tutorial, makeup glam, whatever you guys want to call it, but it is Haitian Flag Day inspired. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will also be telling you guys a couple facts about Haiti. The Haitian flag was created on May 18th, 1883, and the motto of the flag is L'Union fait la force, which means unity is strength. The Haitian flag was created by Jean-Jacques Dessalines. He took the French flag apart and Catherine Flon sewed the blue and red parts of the flag together with her own hair. The forefathers of Haiti were Toussaint Louverture, Jean-Jacques Dessalines, Henri Christophe, and Alexandre Pétion. La Citadelle La Ferrière, which is one of Haiti's monuments, was created by Henri Christophe, one of the forefathers of Haiti. Haiti was called La Perle des Antilles, and it was one of the most beautiful islands in the Caribbean, filled with one of the most beautiful beaches on the coast. Haiti was also known as l'île montagneuse, which means island of mountains, because it is filled with beautiful mountains like Pic Macaya et Massif de la Selle. Alright everyone, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and happy Haitian Flag Day.